This is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is a spring tablescape. The host is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me, and the co-host is Glam Queen of Decor. Okay, this is my inspiration for this tablescape. This is my table runner, my Easter table runner, and I thought this would be a perfect inspiration of how I was going to do my tablescape this time. Here's my tablescape for spring. Start off with, this is my little dessert and my plate. It's got gold stars and a little pink and white, and then I did a black and white buffalo check charger plate. My glass, I put my napkin that's a purple rose in it. Purple rose tablecloth, gold silverware. Light blue cups that matches our table runner, and the table runner says he is risen across. It's got I've put my little bunny there. Some little beaded garland. A butterfly that'll go with the garland, that'll go with the tablescape, because it's got table runner because it has little butterflies on it. The bunny ears hat. Our centerpiece is yellow and pink and purple tulips, and a black and white buffalo plaid milk jug. And we have our cross that says he is risen. And of course I sprinkled eggs everywhere. And I got these has little birds on them, but I put our Easter bunnies in them, and some eggs and another butterfly. That is our tablescape, and it all is because of what's on the table runner.